Hola, I'm Hector SALAZAR, Program Director for Product Design at Raffles College of Higher Education. I was trained in Industrial Design and Brand Image Design from the Metropolitan Autonomous University in Mexico City, and in Transportation Design from the University of the Valley of Mexico. Before joining Raffles, I spent over 13 years in design industry. During that time, I had the privilege of working with the global brands like Sony Mexico, Grupo Axo, Sephora, L'Oreal, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Kellogg's, and 𝗠𝗲𝗏𝗁. This experience taught me the importance of balancing creativity with real-world limitations, such as budget, timelines, and user needs. When I joined Raffles Design in 2008, I taught in the Raffles Mumbai campus before relocating to Singapore to lead the product design department in 2011. My teaching approach is practical, engaging, and completely student-focused. I actively guide my students through the every step of the creativity process, offering tangible examples, real-world scenarios, and hands-on demonstrations. The goal is simple: help students truly understand design principles and inspire them to achieve outstanding results. And they have certainly exceeded my expectations. Let me share with you these achievements. At the IKEA Singapore Young Design Award, our students consistently rank among the top 15 finalists. I would like to special mention 𝗍𝗿𝗰𝘁𝗶𝗃𝗍 and 𝗍𝗿𝗰𝘁𝗍𝗏, who won first and second prize for design flat package, easy to assemble, and expandable coffee tables. Both were hired by IKEA Singapore up to graduation. And 𝗁𝗏 won the People's Choice Award for his design concept Grow. This concept featuring cultivating edible plants at home with a modular arrangement and installation. 𝗍𝗏𝗁 won the most recently IKEA award with his zero-waste packaging design for IKEA lighting bulb, which can be turned into lamp shades. He received the award from Senior Minister of State for the Ministry of Environment and Water Resources, Dr. Amy Kovh, and won himself a trip to IKEA Sweden headquarters. The other design award I encourage my students to take part is in the Singapore Good Design Mark, as it recognizes the commerciality viability of the students' design and their positive impact in the community and environment. One standout project is the octagon furnace designed by 𝗍𝗏𝗁𝗁𝗁, a creative solution to reduce pollution from the burning of incense paper in memory of ancestors and deceased. This design caught the attention of two town councils and a local manufacturer who would like to take this design from classroom to the community. I believe lecturers should lead by example. So, when the Far East organization held the One Holland Village Mill Public Art Bench Design Competition, I submit my own design along with my students. I was honored to have my design selected, produced, and installed at the mall. My student, Pong Song Lee, was also one of the top 5 finalists in this competition. My proudest moment as a lecturer at Raffles was the unbelieving ceremony of the demonstrated clearly that teaching and learning enrich each other. Besides of the award and industry recognition, witnessing my students grow intellectually, achieve excellence, and gain confidence as capable Raffles product designers is my biggest reward and motivation at Raffles. If you are thinking about career in product design, come visit our studio, talk to our students, see their works, and immerse in a hands-on approach. For parents, your child will graduate with industry focus and relevant skills and be empowered to innovate with creativity, setting them on the road to success. Design is my passion and teaching is my purpose. Come study at Raffles.